Check it. Alright guys, what is up? I have a second AMC only update video for you guys for today. It's a little bit on the late night, but I'm sure you guys will enjoy this one because we have massive information that I need you guys to know for tomorrow. There was too much stuff to cover in one video, so I had to make a second video just for our beloved AMC stock. I really think we are on the verge of something big, so let's see what we have in the charts and the fundamental data and see what we have going on. All right, what is up? We are back with the charts, and what is up, guys? This is the second upload for today. Why? Because AMC went absolutely crazy, and I have so much data to cover. I couldn't cover it all in one video. We have massive news, and why I think the stock was particularly up today, other than the failure to deliver and the technical analysis, which proves the point that technicals do matter because we've seen the bull flag breakout and everything I used to call this run that is happening right now, and why I think we're going to run into earnings, because I think we are going to see a massive move on Tuesday or Wednesday. I did say in my video, I think we're going to have a pullback Tuesday and probably run Wednesday because RSI is overextended, and that is something I am worried about. But we might see a massive pop to the upside because we are literally in squeeze mode right now. As you can see on the 4-hour Bollinger Bands, they got extremely tight, and we are squeezing outside of them. On the other smaller time frames, we are back inside of them. But anytime you get outside of the Bollinger Bands, it's literally a parabolic movement, and that's what we are seeing on the 4-hour time frame. So we could literally see a big gap up here in pre-market. But if we don't, if you guys see a pullback, remember I talked about these price levels to look for at $6.80, $6.45, $6.25, and $6 as price points as support, to look for support and look for a possible bounce to the upside. I don't think this thing's gonna come all the way back down to like $4, $5. I think we're gonna hold $6 at minimum. I really think we're gonna hold about $7.25. But if you do see pullback, guys, I want you to be ready for that because RSI is overextended on the 4-hour and the daily time frame. Now, on my other video, I broke down a lot of the technical analysis and a lot of the things that you need to know about that. So make sure you check out that video for all of the technical analysis on AMC and APE. But in this video, I really need to talk about this potential delay of the AMC APE stock conversion because there is a potential lawsuit. So we have this delay. It's all the way up to potentially April 25th, I think it was. Let's go. Let me see if I can scroll down here and see April 27th. So we have till April 27th that is possibly going to be delayed. And if AMC announces this like over earnings call or something like that, I think we're going to see a run off that alone. I think this is part of the reason, other than the FTDs and the technicals, that AMC ran up today because of the possible delay of the conversion and the 10-to-1 stock split. So, guys, like I said, those dates are not important. I've been saying that we are going to run up before those dates, and I think those dates are completely irrelevant. And I think now even more, they're going to be even more relevant. And this has short sellers scared, and they might have even possibly covered some positions, some of the smaller hedge funds, because they were trying to get an arbitrage trade between APE and AMC, and that didn't work out for them. So, guys, this is what I'm looking at for this on the fundamental data on AMC. Things are getting absolutely crazy. We also have massive amount of gamma here. If you guys look at the options chain, we could easily move to the golden zone. So the golden zone is $8 to $10. Once we get past there, there's little support and resistance to hold you down. So we could easily see a lot of volatile movement, and we could see AMC pop to the upside very, very quickly, very, very fast if we get above that zone of $8 to $10. So if we look at that, we look at the options chain, you guys can see that there's a large amount of options at 7, 8, and 9 and even $10, even $13. So guys, if we see it move past $8, it's easily going to move to 10 and then $13 using a gamma ramp. There's a possible gamma squeeze setup on AMC and a gamma ramp setup for AMC to move to the upside very, very quickly, very, very fast. And that's why I always say this thing can get crazy very fast. And just off technical analysis alone, if you guys were to just do the breakout of the 2-year downtrend that we broke out of, the breakout target, I've shown you guys this before, is over $44. It's about $48 just off technical analysis alone. If we get past $48, we could go to 140, which is another technical breakout using Fibonacci retracements. And if we get to 140, there's no telling what could happen after that. And I think when they announce earnings and we announce the popcorn and where it's going to be sold and the point of sales, how the movie industry is doing better fundamentally, and a lot of people say, hey, fundamentals don't belong in a short squeeze play, but what better way to squeeze shorts out of their position than fundamentally destroy the short thesis? There is no better way. So guys, that is what I'm looking at when he announces his popcorn announcement, when he announces the possible delay of the APE conversion, when it's made official, when he announces that, hey, movies are doing better and a lot of good movies are coming out, so AMC will have a lot of good movies and possibly even be cash flow positive in this stock market environment. AMC is going to absolutely rock it. And that's why I think possibly Wednesday, more like I say Tuesday and Wednesday, but more likely Wednesday, we're going to see a massive pump to the upside. And I'm looking forward to seeing a big green weekly candle this week. We also have short interest absolutely exploding 25.52%. As far as I've been watching this stock for 2 years, I have not seen short interest get this high. Short interest at 25.52%, short interest, and they have a very little shares to borrow. As you guys can see, they are struggling to get shares to borrow. If we go ahead and look at Stonko Tractor, it's going to tell you the same thing. They are struggling to get shares available to borrow. We're going to have massive buying pressure. I'm thinking that even tomorrow we could see a massive pop to the upside, but RSI is overextended like I've been saying, so we want to see RSI cool down a little bit. But if you guys look on the, like I'm saying, on the weekly time frame, Bollinger Bands are getting tight, as you guys can see. The Bollinger Bands are getting very, very tight. I think a big move is coming. As you can see, they're starting to curl to the outside, so we could literally be in squeeze mode right now. That's how exciting this is. We could literally be like in the process of squeezing right now, but I don't want to get everyone too hyped. But guys, I think it's definitely time. Fundamentals improving. Cost to borrow suddenly dropping, and if you look, that's actually a sign of squeezing. Bollinger Bands getting tight. Green weekly MACD on the weekly time frame. We have the possible conversion delay of APE. We have fundamentals improving and everything else. Now we're looking at Max Payne. Really, I don't think this is going to come into play because we have so much bullishness coming into the stock, but I want to make this known. Max Payne is at $6, but I don't really pay too much attention to Max Payne. Sometimes on Fridays the price does end near there, but I think we're going to blast past that, so don't worry about that. I just want to put this information out there. And again, cost to borrow is a little over 200%, and we do have a sudden drop in cost to borrow, and that is actually a sign of a potential squeeze. Believe it or not, you can look that up. 10 signs of a squeeze, or just look up signs of a short squeeze, and you will see sudden drop of a cost to borrow, especially when you have high cost to borrow and it suddenly drops. That is a sign of a squeeze. They are having very hard time getting shares available to borrow. That's why I'm thinking we're going to be very, very bullish. We have a lot of gamma building up, and things are looking very, very good on the technicals. And I will be dropping a update right in the morning on the price action in the morning and giving my predictions for the day in the morning on my short video. So make sure the bell notification is on so you can see every single thing that I update. But guys, this is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. And you can check out my Twitter and Discord. They're absolutely free. They'll be linked down in the comment section below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember you can check out my Discord and Twitter. They are absolutely free. I drop stock picks there, updates, and everything else, so make sure you check that out. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.